In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn commission on TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, how to add products, and how to post content with a product link so you can start earning from your videos. First, open your TikTok account and make sure you're signed in. From the main screen, head to your profile. This is the icon at the bottom right of the app. Once you're on your profile page, look for the 3 lines in the top corner. That's your menu. Tap it to open more options. From this menu, choose TikTok Studio. This is the creator hub inside the app where you'll manage content, insights, and shop features. If you don't see TikTok Studio right away, make sure your app is updated to the latest version and that you're using a creator-capable account. Availability can vary by region, so keep that in mind. Inside TikTok Studio, find and tap TikTok Shop for Creator. This is where you can add products and manage your creator collaborations. You'll see options to browse products that are available for promotion. These are the collaboration products offered by different sellers. Before adding anything, take a moment to read the product details, check the commission rate offered, and make sure the item matches your audience and content style. When you're ready, add the products you want to promote to your shop or product list. Now, create your video about one of the products you just added. Show the item clearly, explain what it is, and demonstrate how it's used. Keep your message honest and helpful so viewers know exactly what to expect. When you post, attach the product link directly within the posting screen. TikTok lets you tag the product from your added list so the link appears with your video. Double-check that the correct item is selected and that the link is visible before publishing. After your video goes live, anyone who clicks your product link and places an order through that link can earn you a commission. The commission amount depends on the seller's offer for that product. Give your content a clear call to action, like inviting viewers to tap the product tag, and consider adding concise on-screen text that points to the link. As your video gains views and clicks, you can monitor how it's performing inside TikTok Studio. You'll typically see product clicks, orders, and commission metrics tied to your content. Keep testing different angles, lighting, and hooks to see what resonates with your audience, and stick to products you genuinely recommend for the best results.